Hello guys, and welcome to day 16 of my journey to get sub 10 on my Rubik's Cube. Actually day 16 this time, and not like when I said yesterday it was day 16, but actually it was day 15. So did a 39.82 seconds off yesterday, so let's just get into it and see if I can improve today. Not mess up everything like I have been doing. So yeah, let's go. Doing a bit of inspection real quick. Hopefully my camera battery doesn't die because it says it's low, so great. That's the green bit. Oh, okay, so I'll chuck the green bit in, do a bit of that and see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Green one in, that one round, that one in. Green one in, that one in, that one in. Took 12 seconds to do that because I just did it so slowly. It's not great, can't lie. Just that one, oh that's nice. Oh, I have to have kind of quick today. It's not good, but it's not too bad. What is this? Oh, it's one of them G-perms. Just sit there forever looking at the thing to solve, not solve it. And now I've just the corner. Oh, it's all gone wrong again. Me and solve's going wrong lately, am I right? There's my, no, not, oh it is twisted. Just that back. One minute 11.95, which is 30 seconds slower, because my white cross took me like 12 seconds, so it wasn't too bad. And then the rest of it just kind of, and then I messed up and I got a corner twist halfway through, which is so bad. That's just my corner, so yeah, not great. So yeah, like and subscribe, so hopefully I can do better tomorrow.